There are several Boolean logical operators available in Java. We will learn 3 of these. First one is a logical NOT operator. This operator is used with a Boolean variable or a Boolean expression. The task of this operator is to alter the value of a variable or an expression. For example, here variable x is assigned to true value. But if we add a NOT operator in front of x, we will get result as false. It doesn't change the value of x. If we print x again, we will see it still has the value true. It just changes the output whenever we use it. Same rules goes for y. There are several benefits of using a NOT operator. We will learn them eventually. Now let's see how the truth table of a NOT operator looks like. A truth table is a mathematical table used in logic to understand the result of using an operator. Here in the first column, we have an input variable a which has 2 states, true and false. In the second column, we added a NOT operator with a which indicates that when the input a is true, the output not a is false, and vice versa. Next 2 operators in this category are logical AND, logical OR. When we use logical AND to compare 2 variables or 2 expressions, the result is true when both sides have true values. If either side is false, result will be false. In this example, y is false, that means compare variable will be false. When we use logical OR, the result is true when either side has true value. Only time result will be false when both variables or expressions are false. Here the result of an OR operation is true because x is true. Let's see what is the truth table of these 2 operators. First 2 columns have 2 different states of 2 input variables a and b. Notice that for AND operation, only time the result is true when a and b are both true. On the other hand, for OR operation, the result is only false when both variables are false. Let's see if we can find our example in the truth table. Here, first variable x is true and second variable y is false. Looks like this row matches exactly with our example. If you ever forget the expected result of these Boolean logical operators, this truth table will help you to find. The last but not least operator in this lecture is ternary operator. This operator is used when you need to choose an expression based on a condition or a logic. It consists of 2 symbols, a question mark and a colon. First, you need to write some condition with relational or Boolean logical operators. Then add a question mark and an expression. After colon, add second expression. Here is how it works. If the condition is true, it will return the value of first expression. Otherwise, it will return the second one. Let's consider this real-world example. A person with age 18 or older can vote in a federal election. I have age of a person into a variable. I want to see if the program can tell me whether that person is eligible to vote or not. Here is how we will write the code. In the condition part, we are checking if the given age is equal or greater than 18. If it is so, we will return true. Otherwise, we will return false and assign it into canVote variable. If we print the variable, we will see true in the output. Let's check another person's age. This time it is 17. Now if we write the same code, we will see the output as false. There are a lot of codes we will learn about conditional expressions in coming lectures. Before moving there, take a break and write all examples by yourself showed in this lecture and the previous one. Try changing values and operators. It will be much clearer to you in no time.